What's up, fam? Welcome to day 39 of Run the Year 2021, where we're going to post every day for this year till we get to 2021 miles. We're also doing an exercise every day. So today is actually day 8 of, day 8 of the 22-day flat stomach challenge. We're getting there. It's getting there. We're working on it. But so today what we're going to do is it's actually going to be on our backs, and we're going to do scissor kicks. But again, it's like when we first started the first day. If you go back to the first or second day, where we were doing just on our backs and we're just working on flattening the stomach. So this one we're actually going to do flutter kicks. So that's going to be pretty fun. And it's 10 sets. 20 seconds per rep, and we do, 10 sets, no, not 10 sets, it's 10 for 20 seconds for 3 sets. So that's what we're gonna do. So we'll get started today, and first of all, let me welcome all of our new subscribers and viewers. Welcome to the channel where we post every day, where you get a little inspiration, a little motivation to get out and go move your body, because that's what we do. So let's get that started. Hang out with me, we'll do 5. We'll do 5 reps, and then I'll let you guys go, and then I'll finish mine on your own. You do the same thing. So here we go. All right, let me grab my phone. Okay, so we got a phone. All right. So what we're going to do is get started here and begin. So again, it's keeping that lower back. So keep the lower back. So basically what you're doing is trying to envision pushing your belly button to your spine, right? And then squeezing the pelvis area, right? So we're gonna do that for 20 seconds. All right, there's one. Do it again. So we got one down. Hopefully you guys are having a great day today. We made it to Sacramento from Portland yesterday. So we're in Portland yesterday, now we're in Sacramento. Okay, that's set 2. And we'll start number 3. Here we go. So flew in. Today was a long day. We had an early day, early start. About a 04, 05 start, and we've just finished up. But hey, today is the last day for me. I head home in the morning. Can't wait to get back to Hawaii. The weather's been great, but I'm ready to get home to the weather. All right, that was number 3. Here's number 4. And again, it's all about, hey, jump down the floor right now with me. If you're not doing anything, get on the floor. Get a set in, right? It's only 20 seconds. Only 20 seconds, right? A little bit now pays a lot later. Consistency, right? Stay consistent. Do something every day. It's a whole lot easier to do something every day than it is to think about it. All right. Number 5. And look, after this, you can go do what you want to do, right? Just get 5 in with me. Knock out 5 later on your own. I'm proud of you, though. Get it in. Get it in. Proud of you. Stay motivated. That's the thing. Get up. Get off that couch and go do something. Go move that body. All right. Okay, guys. There we go. That was 5. That was 5 with you. I'm proud of you. If you got any value out of this, go ahead and hit that like button down below. If this is your first time with us, hit that subscribe button. We'd love to see you. Love to hear from you. Leave me a comment. And hey, invest in yourself. Invest in your health. I'll talk to you tomorrow.